Hi, I'm Dave Smith. I will be the Green Party candidate for the North Okanagan Shuswap riding in the upcoming federal election. I'd like to introduce myself and talk about the key issues of the upcoming election. With my wife Kathy, we've lived in this community for 20 years, heavily involved in the volunteer community. I'm director and past president of the Ribbons of Green, the advisory committee to the North Okanagan Regional District on Parks and Pathways. My wife is heavily involved in the Young Naturalist Society, getting kids out into the forest, introducing them to trees and wildlife. And the two of us are heading back to Guatemala this winter for the 5th year on a volunteer project that we're heavily involved in the Mayan highlands, building cook stoves, keeping children in schools, and keeping strong medical support to the outlying communities. On the work front, I'm an accountant. I've been the controller at the Armstrong sawmill plywood plant and also the Lumbee plant for Riverside and then Tulco for most of my career. When I retired, I then went into consulting projects, working on renewable energy and working with native bands in the north of the province. I'm also a lifelong environmentalist, and I believe that we're involved in a war, a slow war, with a deteriorating environment that needs desperately to switch to renewable energies. There are many other federal politics issues that are of concern, but the environment is at the top of the list. There are 5 key issues that I would like to cover in the upcoming election, and I will talk about these in subsequent videos. Very briefly, we need to switch from our oil-based industry to a renewable industry. We need to renew democracy. We need to build strong communities and bring green jobs into the North Okanagan Shuswap. We need a fair economy that prevents the morally difficult issues we're facing right now with the spread between the rich and the poor. And we need to protect our species and expand our parklands. Those are the key issues I will be talking about. I'm Dave Smith. I'm your Green Party candidate in the upcoming federal election.